supported wholeheartedly to organizing the event. This tech summit aims to provide a common platform to the corporates to exchange ideas, discuss various key issues based on best practices and focused on growing SMEs. And this will provide an opportunity to understand key trends on how digitization opens up big opportunity for SME and VARs. Okay, Afshan, you have introduced yourself, right? Okay. This is about VAR India. So we have completed moving towards the 2 decades. So we are 17-year-old, serving and talking about IT industry. And we always give a unique platform to the IT associations and VARs to tell their pain points, address how we could resolve their issues. Now this association also playing the bigger role in the country. So the demand of how we can bring the technology, business and solution into the one folder. Everybody talking about IT, digitization, cloud computing, e-commerce. So how we bring all things at one place? Demand for data, cloud, video, mobile solution increase with enterprise networks becoming more agile and scalable. So we have among with us controllers, data center, who heads the data center business. He will talk about the importance, necessity. So we'll understand more from controllers spokesperson Mr. Rao. And these developments will drive users' confidence and lead to new business models. So better outcomes, example, enhanced customer experience and ROI that is more clearly defined and understood. I would like to be enlightened more by the experts present here. Other key findings reveal that the number of installed IoT, Internet of Things devices will reach 28 billion by 2020. Am I right, Shyam? Which will deliver global economic value add of $1.9 trillion. Furthermore, the market size of global M2M connection is expected to reach 35.16 billion by 2020. Among cellular M2M connections, the highest number of connections is expected to be of 3G connectivity, followed by 2G and 4G connectivity. The 4G M2M connections are projected to grow at the faster rate. So what and how it makes a difference? Idea is, it is increased access to technology for millennials, SMBs, enterprises, especially in rural cities, is helping to drive a digital and economic transformation across the country. Secondly, we are talking about how predictive analytics will make sense of big data. Data will enhance business performance and impact how we act in life. Where IT will direct the cloud. Ask them to rectify it. Enterprise IT will control enterprise cloud deployments in 2015. And I had told earlier, VARs are the key enablers for SMEs to grow. Here we have a team from MAIN and SME, all IT associations, who is working in the field for enabling IT and SMEs growth in Bangaluru. Who from the first chapter of the Sort of India under the able chairmanship of Rahul Gupta and Sri Murli Krishnan, my hearty congratulations to them. Every successful product has a well-planned route to market. Some vendors are direct, others use partners, but most adopt a hybrid approach and manage the resulting conflicts and opportunities. The wars in the country continue to evolve. It will continue, with new competitors increasingly entering the race for end customers' market share. The Tech Summit will also have a panel discussion on the topic where leading personalities who work in day in day out to understand the needs as technology vendors to offer right solutions. I conclude with saying that our VARs and SMEs are just like mirrors in the ecosystem. Creativity among VARs is just connecting things. When you ask creating people how they did something, they feel a little guilty because they did not really do it. They just reinvent something. It seemed obvious to them after a while. This is because they are able to connect experience they have and they synthesize new things. Thank you. I request Afsana to take